Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be taking a look at a super trend strategy. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be taking a look at a super trend strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 273 indicators, and out of those 273 indicators, 107 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 107 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today we will be looking at a super trend strategy. So typically on the channel, we are testing just indicators on their own, just standalone indicators to see what kind of win rate they can achieve. But recently, once a week, we have been testing different strategies that I find on YouTube or wherever I come across them. And so this is one that I had seen before and was also requested by one of the viewers on the channel. Now, interesting enough, not too long ago, a few days ago or sometime this week, one of the members in the Discord server actually posted about a super trend strategy that looked very similar to this, but had quite a significant difference. And so I don't want that viewer or that Discord server member to think that I am testing their strategy that they put out there, because that's definitely not what I meant to do. It was just pure coincidence that I had already lined up the super trend strategy that you see on screen now for the strategy video this week when they had come along and posted their version of it in the Discord server. And so what are we looking at here? Well, we have the super trend, and what we've done is we've taken the super trend and we've created almost almost what you would consider like an alligator type effect out of it. So kind of similar to what you would think of as far as the alligator for the moving averages. And so we have the first super trend, which is set on a period of 12 ATR and ATR multiple of 3. We have the second super trend, which is ATR period 11 and ATR multiple of 2. And then we have the third, which is set on the ATR period of 10 and the ATR multiple of 1. And so what it creates is this nice little fanned out type effect for the super trend. And so for those of you who don't know the super trend, basically it typically looks something like this, where it is always telling you to be in a position, whether it is short or it is long. And you can see that very similar to like the parabolic SAR, the super trend will jump up or above, or jump down or above the price action, depending on what direction it wants you to go in. The problem is that sometimes the super trend does not work, or often the super trend does not work in a consolidating market. And so to combat that, the creator of this strategy in the video said that we should fan out the super trends like so. And what we are looking for is we are looking for all the super trends to line up at the same time. And so for example, if we are looking at this area right here, you can see that all three, if you look at these coordinates over here next to the super trend name, whenever I mouse over a particular candle, you can see that on this candle, all three of the super trends were reading red. If I go back one, you can see that the very top one was actually reading green right up here. So that is an idea of when all of them are lined up. So when all of them are lined up, that is a signal to then enter in that direction. So in this particular case, it would be a short signal. And then the creator of this strategy, or the video that I watched on this strategy, said that what you would do is you would wait for the first super trend to turn in the opposite direction. So just one super trend needs to turn. So we would enter right here where I marked it with a green line, and then we would follow it down and we would exit right over here on this one. You can barely see that this little bitty one right here, this super trend, had turned green. And so that would be our exit. And in this particular case, would have gotten about 27 pips. This is on a 2-hour time frame. The original video did not designate a specific pair or a specific time frame to use this on. And so I'm just kind of shooting in the dark as far as those go. But as you can see, that is very similar. You know, that is the basic strategy that we're looking for. And so over here, you can also see that right there, we picked up a long signal right there, and we would have exited that right there, and that one would have been a losing trade right here. We would have entered into a short, and we would have exited the trade right there. That one would have been a win of about 37 pips or so. And so that's basically how the strategy functions. Not much to it other than that. Like I said, there was no other take profits or stops really mentioned. There was a whole nother way to trade the super trend that wasn't a stacked version like this with the 3 different super trends. And so we're not going to get into that at the moment. We're just concentrate on this one right now. So all in all, it's not too bad. It does all right. So we get a entry right there, and then we would exit down here on that particular candle right there. So that would have been about 121 pips. So what exactly can this do over time? Well, the biggest issue that I found was that quite often it would give signals, and when you would exit, you would exit for a very, very small profit. And when you would exit at a loss, you were often taking a pretty significant loss. And so after 50 trades, let's see here, let's zoom in on this, did 50 trades right there, plus the ones you just watched me do as well. At 50 trades, we had 22 wins, excuse me, and 28 losing trades. And so in my opinion, that is not going to work out very well. Of course, it's hard to crunch the numbers when you aren't calculating very specific take profits as far as a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 or something along those lines. Again, the kind of the take profit setup on this was rather strange, and so let's see if I can identify an area. Let's see. So for example, right here, if you look at this entry right here that we took off this candle, we would have exited this trade right about there. So that's an example of a trade where we would have gotten about 30 pips. So that's not too bad actually right there. Let's see if I can find another one. Not there. There. Actually saw a few back over here when I was finishing up the last few of these signals here. So this one right here, we would have only gotten about 18 pips out of that. And so, all in all, the winning trades seemed rather small. So here's another one right there to right here would have been our exit, looking at about 13 pips. And so often it seemed to only be about 10, 20, 10, 20, 25, 30 pips, something like that. And a lot of the time, the losing trades were pretty decent little losing trades. And so, yeah, I mean, the numbers just don't quite work out on this particular one. If it was closer to a 50%, maybe. And, if you are interested in a super trend strategy like this that has more testing to it, more validity, and definitely has a different structure as far as more confirmation when you should be entering and take profits and such like that, then I suggest or I highly recommend that you jump on our Discord server. You bounce around on the different algo channels that we have laid out, and you find the post that the Discord member posted that really outlined a very good strategy for using the super trend kind of in the same method. So that's really going to be your best bet when it comes to trying out the super trend strategy like this. It needs some work. It needs some more experience as far as working out the bugs in it to get it to a reasonable win rate. I know that user posted that they were able to get a 60s win rate out of it consistently with, I think, like a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, I think is what it was. I'm just trying to remember in the back of my head, something like that. And so it was definitely profitable in the way that they were using it. So like I said, if you're interested, jump on our Discord. Should be doing that anyways. Our Discord is great for lots of information. And if you want even some more strategies beyond that, some that are a little bit more proven, some that I have really put some work into, then join our Patreon and hit the Patreon only Discord channel as well, where we outline, I've given away quite a few different profitable strategies, and we give a lot more in-depth information as well as trade signals in that channel as well. And so it is very, very great bit of information in there. So, all right, we're going to cut the video here so that way it's not too long. This one, unfortunately, this strategy is not going to work out for us. So we will move on to the next video from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.